Do you ever lie in bed and wonder how some people can fall asleep almost instantly, as if their head barely touches the pillow before they drift away? Have you ever envied those friends or family members who seem to close their eyes and slip into peaceful dreams while you're still tossing, turning, and staring at the ceiling? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with the time it takes to fall asleep, and every extra minute of lying awake can feel like an eternity. But here on Golden Rest Guide, I want to share with you a method that has helped countless people learn how to shut down their minds, relax their bodies, and slip into sleep faster than they ever thought possible. What makes this technique special is that it isn't something you'll find in a bottle, a pill, or an expensive gadget. In fact, it comes from a surprising source. This method was developed for U.S. military pilots who had to find ways to sleep in stressful, unpredictable environments, sometimes in less than ideal conditions. These men and women couldn't afford sleepless nights. Fatigue could literally cost them their lives. They needed something that worked, and so a system was designed to teach them how to relax on command and fall asleep quickly. If it worked for them in the middle of war zones and air bases, imagine what it can do for you in the quiet of your own home. So let's go through it together, step by step. This method has two sides to it, relaxing the body and calming the mind. Both are important because one without the other leaves you half awake, half restless. Step 1. Close your eyes and release the tension in your face. Most people don't realize how much strain they carry in their facial muscles throughout the day. So start by loosening your forehead, letting your eyebrows drop naturally, unclenching your jaw, and allowing your tongue to rest comfortably at the bottom of your mouth. Even these tiny adjustments send signals to your brain that it's time to rest. Step 2. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. As you exhale, imagine your shoulders sinking lower and lower, as if they are being pulled gently down by gravity. Now let your arms grow heavy at your sides, one at a time, until they feel like they are completely supported by the mattress. Step 3. Take another calming breath and focus on your chest. As you breathe out, let go of any tightness in your chest and stomach. Then move your focus downward. Relax your thighs, your calves, and finally your feet. Visualize the muscles becoming soft and loose, as though they are melting into the bed. By this stage, your entire body should feel heavy, warm, and deeply relaxed. But here's the challenge. While the body may be relaxed, the mind often refuses to follow. Thoughts from the day come rushing back, future worries creep in, and your brain starts racing just when you want it to slow down. That's why the next steps are critical. Step 4. Clear your mind of distractions. This doesn't mean forcing your brain to be blank. That rarely works. Instead, every time a thought appears, imagine placing it into a small box, sealing it shut, and sliding it out of sight. Do this again and again for about 30 seconds. The more you practice this visualization, the better you'll become at quieting your thoughts. Step 5. Replace your busy mind with calm images. One of my favorites is imagining myself lying in a canoe on a perfectly still lake, the water smooth like glass, the sky above endless and blue. Another option is picturing yourself gently swaying in a hammock strung between two trees, with a cool breeze moving across your skin. If you struggle with visualizations, that's okay. Simply repeat a short phrase in your head like, don't think, don't think, don't think. The repetition will gradually push out every other thought until all that's left is calm emptiness. Now let me be honest, this isn't magic. It may not work perfectly the first time or even the second, but like anything else, the more you practice, the more effective it becomes. Over time, your body learns the signals and your mind recognizes the pattern. Soon you'll find yourself drifting off faster and easier than you ever imagined. And now, as promised, I want to share with you 5 powerful bonus tips that can multiply the effectiveness of this method and give you not just faster sleep, but deeper, more restorative rest. Stick to a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same times every day. Your body has an internal clock, and the more regular your routine, the more naturally your sleep will come. Optimize your sleep environment. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Research shows around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is the ideal temperature for sleep. Even small changes like blackout curtains or a fan can make a huge difference. Be mindful of what you consume. Caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals late in the evening interfere with your body's natural rhythms. Limiting these before bedtime allows your system to wind down properly. Use your bedroom for sleep only. Don't bring your work, television, or even scrolling on your phone into your bed. Teach your brain that the bedroom means one thing: rest. Experiment with calming sounds. White noise, rainfall, ocean waves. These sounds not only relax your brain, but also block out sudden noises that could disturb you in the middle of the night. Combine these 5 habits with the body and mind relaxation method, and you'll be setting yourself up for some of the best sleep of your life. Imagine falling asleep within minutes instead of hours, and waking up refreshed, energized, and ready for the day. That's the power of training both your body and your mind. Now I'd love to hear from you. Did you try this method tonight? How quickly were you able to relax? Which visualization worked best for you? The calm canoe on the lake, the hammock in the trees, or repeating the simple phrase? Share your experience in the comments below. And please also tell me which country you're watching this video from and what time it is right now where you are. I love seeing the Golden Rest Guide community stretch across the world from different time zones and cultures, all united by the search for better sleep.